All right, so what we do is we're replacing our x with -6, and then we're just calculating. 3 times -6 is -18, plus 9 is -9. All right, so again, instead of x, write parentheses. 3 parentheses plus 9. What's going in the parentheses? 8. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 9 is 33. What if we have a letter instead of a number? What do you think? Same idea, 3 parentheses plus 9. In the parentheses is a. 3a plus 9. That's it. You are done. Okay? Try these on your own. Same process. Instead of x, you're just replacing x with whatever's in the parentheses. -2a plus 5. F of x, it's literally exactly the same thing. And I love number 6 because it's just kind of fun. Like, you can plug anything in you want. Instead of x, I'm just going to put a happy face. All right, if you want to find f of Brianna, -2 times Brianna plus 5. Done. Okay? So now we're going to use this so that we can get a little more difficult. All right, I'm going to go on a different piece of paper so we have a little bit more space. All right, so let's say f of x is 15x minus 1. All right, so now I want to find f of x plus 7. Okay, so I'm going to write f without the x. F of equals 15 of minus 1. Instead of x, I just put parentheses. Now what's going to go inside the parentheses? X plus 7. Now what am I able to do? I can simplify. I can distribute. 15x plus 105 minus 1. 15x plus 104. And that's your answer. Just replacing our x. Number 8, f of -x. Can you see what I'm doing? All right, f of -x. Again, remember my function was 15x minus 1. So I'm going to rewrite this without my x. Parentheses minus 1. And it's really helpful to write it like this to start with. Now I'm plugging in, what am I plugging in? -x. What's 15 times -x? -15x minus 1, and we're done. Okay? All right, last one. Try this one on your own. F of 2x plus 3. Can you see what I'm doing? All right, try that one on your own. Again, remember, we have 15x minus 1. Pause the video. Do it. Parentheses minus 1. No, what am I putting in the parentheses? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. What are you able to do? Distribute. 30x plus 45 minus 1. 30x plus 44. Not too tough, huh? All right. Next set. We're going to get a little harder now. Number 10. Let me zoom out so we have more room. All right. F of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, we're going to get a little more intense now. Now I want to find f of x plus 4. This one's harder because of the square. All right, same process though. I'm going to start by writing my equation, my function without x's. Now, what's going to go inside the parentheses? X plus 4. Now, what makes this difficult? What's x plus 4 quantity squared? That's x plus 4 times x plus 4. So this is like super obnoxious. You actually have to double distribute, FOIL, however you learned it in algebra 2. So I'm going to do double distributing because that's how I teach it. So I have to multiply x times x plus 4 and 4 times x plus 4. Double distribute. X squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. And then don't forget this other piece, minus 5x plus 4 plus 6. Now I'm going to distribute over here. What do you get when you distribute the negative 5? Negative 5x minus 20 plus 6. Make sure you do not distribute that to the 6. Only stuff that's inside the parentheses. Now we're going to combine like terms. We have x squared. I have 4x, 4x, and what else? Negative 5x. What's that give you? 3x. 16 minus 20 plus 6 is 2. And we're done. So again, not really difficult, just kind of obnoxious, right? All right. All right, again, this is what I'm going to start with. Try this one on your own. I want you to find f of x minus 1. Okay, you couldn't see any of that, could you? Awesome. I'm like really good at making videos. All right. So now try this one on your own. Pause the video. Parentheses everywhere. What's going in the parentheses? X minus 1. I'm going to double distribute. You can make some shortcuts here, but I don't like shortcuts. You make mistakes. Minus 1, x minus 1. Be careful there. X squared minus 1x minus 1x plus 1. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 5x plus 5 plus 6. When you distribute, negative 5 times negative 1 is 5. So you get negative 7x. That's negative 7x. And then 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12.